In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a currency converter in Shopify. We'll walk through how to let your international customers browse and pay in their own local currency, and then how to show a currency selector directly on your storefront so they can easily switch regions. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Markets. Go ahead and click that. You'll now see a list of the markets you've set up for your store. From here, choose your international market, or whichever market you want to enable local currencies for, and open it. Inside the market editor, look for the currency area. On the right side of that section, you'll see a plus icon. Click the plus icon and a small drop-down will appear. Inside that, click the drop-down box. This will open a full list of all available currencies for that market. Right at the top of that list, select the option that says Use Local Currencies. This setting allows customers in that market to see and pay in the currency that's local to their region, based on their location. After you've enabled local currencies, you'll notice an option to turn price rounding on or off. Price rounding helps keep your prices looking clean and consistent, like rounding to 0.00 or 0.99 instead of showing long decimal values from exchange rates. Choose whether you want that enabled based on how you want your prices to appear, then click Done in the bottom right corner of that window. Next, click Save near the top of the page, close to the search bar. This locks in the currency settings you've just configured. Now let's add the actual currency selector that customers will use in your storefront. In the left panel of your admin, find Online Store and click it. You'll see a list of your themes with your current theme at the very top. On that active theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look again to the left side panel for your sections, then click on your header section to open its settings. Scroll down within the header settings until you see a section called Utilities. Under Utilities, enable the option for Country Region Selector. This is what adds the visible selector to your header. If you like, you can repeat this same process in your footer section so the selector appears there as well, giving customers more than one place to change their region. When the country or region selector is enabled, changing the selected region will automatically change the currency shown across your store, converting your product prices to match that region's currency based on the settings you just configured in Markets. Once you've turned on the selector where you want it, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Finally, let's check that everything is working. Go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left panel, hover your mouse over Online Store. You'll see an eye icon appear next to it. Click that eye icon to open a live preview of your store. In the store preview, locate the region or country selector, either in your header or footer, depending on where you enabled it. Click it, choose a different country or region from the list, and then scroll through your store. You should now see that your product prices have changed to display in the currency for that region. And that's all you need to add a currency converter to your Shopify store and make shopping easier for customers around the world.